So over the next few weeks, I'm going to be making some Power BI reporting tips. Some of the tips are pretty easy. Some of them might not be. Some you might know, you might not know. This tip I found really useful. Every single report has multiple tabs. Always include an info tab at the end of your reports. And in that info tab, talk about the date that you built the report, or maybe the date you modified it, who requested the report, who built the report, Ike, that's me, a technical specification like Databricks data is coming on an hourly refresh. This says that production notes are coming from an older system that might get like a daily refresh that everybody kind of knows about. That means that if somebody calls me in a few months and says, how come production notes aren't being updated, I can look at the info tab and say, oh, it's because it's coming from the old system and we haven't updated it to the new system yet, right? I also include any special visualization that might be a little bit weird off of the norm. And then I show some definitions. Like if I have terms on the reports like overage or MTD or OTIF, I provide both a business specification, like here's what Matt told me this met, and I also provide a technical specification, like this is how I'm calculating this. And the reason why I do that, again, is if in a few months somebody calls and says, hey, I don't think this is right, I can glance at the info tab and say, well, this is the definition I had, and this is what I'm doing. And this might speed up any type of data resolution problems I have, even if my memory kind of fails me. So I believe every report should have an info tab. Hopefully this helps you. Thanks. Have a great day.